Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn control and coordination together, step by step. Control and coordination let an organism respond to its surroundings. We'll study nerves, reflexes, the brain, and chemical messengers called hormones. The neuron is the nerve cell. Dendrites receive signals, the cell body processes them, and the long axon passes the electrical impulse onward. A reflex is a fast, automatic response, like pulling your hand from something hot. The signal travels a reflex arc through the spinal cord, acting before the brain even decides. The brain has parts with jobs. The cerebrum thinks and senses. The cerebellum controls balance and coordination. And the medulla runs involuntary actions like heartbeat and breathing. Hormones are chemical messengers carried by blood. Insulin controls sugar, adrenaline prepares for action. Plants use hormones too, like auxin, which bends shoots towards light. To recap, neurons carry impulses, reflexes act fast through the spinal cord, brain parts have specific jobs, and hormones coordinate chemically. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.